food for my dad and for my mom and everybody. So I just lick this. See how I lick it? Well, it's sour, right? But it's sour. Guys, don't see that. I forgot to tell you. This is hummus. So, lagyan tahina,
Garlic?
garlic, lemon.
Yes.
So, well, where that thing go? There it is. And this. Go. The first push and let's go. Okay, so this is very hard. Maybe we should make a knife or something. The garlic and now this.
Oh,
Don't squeeze the lemon. I put too much. Did you see that on the camera? And don't see the other one, guys. Actually, like the last one. Notice my mommy put yogurt. I didn't know. No. Here goes, guys.